Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on or enable voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to tap on three dot. Now go to settings. Now go to in privacy. In privacy, once you here, you just need to be on this section, microphone and camera input, where you will find the microphone permission. Just enable this permission from here. Just enable this permission from here, and once you enable it, so this is a microphone permission, means you are allowing the Roblox to use your microphone to enable voice chat. Once you enable it, just open any game, and if you don't see microphone here in privacy, if you don't see this microphone permission here, then you didn't verify your age yet. And if you are under 13, then still you can get voice chat, but you have to be part of the beta feature. And so beta feature is released by Roblox, and they are selecting randomly few peoples for the beta features, and if you are lucky you can get that beta features. And under beta features you can get voice chat without verifying your age. So in the earlier days, or in the upcoming days, we can get voice chat without verifying age. But right now, to get voice chat you have to verify your age. Once you enable the microphone, now you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication. So let's open this game.